Hello children, welcome to online classes of St. Joseph Academy, Mariamnagar, Ghaziabad. Children, this video is for class 3rd and it is based on chapter 7, multiplication. Today we are going to do multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit number. I am your math teacher, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi. And before starting this, first we will discuss the homework part which I gave you yesterday of exercise 7E part 2. So let's begin it. Now children, we have to see the homework part of exercise 7E 5A question 123 multiplied by 40. Now there is one zero you can see. Write this zero at one's place. Then multiply 123 by 4. Now 4 threes are 12. So write 2 here and 1 carry on tens power. Now multiply 4 with 2. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 will come here. Then 4 ones are 4. So in this way children you have to multiply. You have to multiply from the right hand side. Then you will move towards left hand side. And as carry will come, you will add that carry. Now B part 150 multiplied by 20. Here you can see 2 zeros are there. So write down 2 zeros. Then multiply 15 with 2. Now 15 twos are 30. So write down 30. So your answer will become 3000. Then C part children 152 multiplied by 30. So how many zeros are there at the end? Only 1. So write down 1 0 and multiply 152 with 3. Now 3 twos are 6. 3 fives are 15. 5 you will write down and 1 as carry. Then 3 ones are 3 plus 1 carry is 4. So your answer is 4560. Then D part again 352 multiplied by 20. 1 0 is there at the end. So put 1 0 here. Then multiply 354 with 2. Now 2 fours are 8. Then 2 fives are 10. 0 you will write down and 1 as carry on hundreds part. Then multiply 2 threes are 6. Then add 1 carry 7. So your answer is 7080. Then E part 267 multiplied by 30. Now again there is 1 0 at the end. So write down this 0 first and multiply 267 with 3. The 3 sevens is 21. So 1 you will write here and 2 carry on tens part. Then 3 6 are 18 plus 2 carry is 20. So write 0 down and then 2 carry again. Then 3 twos are 6 plus 2 carry is 8. So your answer is 8010. Then F part 107 multiplied by 80. Now see 0 is there, so put 0 at the bottom. Then 107 multiplied by 8. Now 8 sevens is 56. Write 6 and 5 carry. Then 8 zeros are 0 plus 5 carry is 5. Then 8 ones are 8. So your answer is 8560. Then G part children 140 multiplied by 60. Now 2 zeros are there you can see. So write 2 zeros in the answer part and multiply 14 with 6. So 6 fours is 24. Now 4 you will write down and 2 as carry. 6 ones are 6 plus 2 carry is 8. Or if you remember the table 14 6 is also 84. So write it in this way you can write it. So 8400. Now H part children here you can see how many zeros are there. See 1 2 3. So write down 3 zeros first. Then you can see 2 fours is 8. So what is your answer? 8000. Now I part 319 multiplied by 30. Now 1 0 is there at the ones place. Write down this. Now multiply 319 with 3. Now 3 nines are 27. 7 here. 2 carry. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 threes are 9. So answer is 9570. Then 124 multiplied by 70. So write 0 1 0 here at the end. Multiply 124 with 7. 7 fours are 28. So 8 you will write here and 2 carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So 6 here and 1 carry on hundreds. Now 7 ones are 7 plus 1 carry is 8. So your answer is 8680. Now see children, sixth A part. 15 multiplied by 400. Now 400 is having 2 zeros. You can see here. So write 2 zeros first. Directly you can multiply. Now 15 fours are, you know what is that? 60. 15 fours are 60. Children, you have to learn the tables by heart up to 20. Okay. So 15 fours are 60. So your answer will become 6000. Now 18 multiplied by 300. See, 2 zeros are there. Write down these 3 zeros. Multiply 18 with 3. If you remember the table, it's good. If not, you can multiply in this way also. 3 8s are 24. So 4 you will write down and 2 as carry. Now 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. So it will become 5400. Now next question, C part. 19 multiplied by 400. So 0. 2 zeros are there. Write down these 2 zeros. Now 19 fours are 76. Children, you can see 4 nines are 36. So write 6 here. 3 carry. Now 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7600 is your answer. The next question, 20 multiplied by 400. Now you can count down how many zeros are there. 3 zeros at the end. So write down these 3 zeros and multiply 2 with 4. 2 fours is 8. So your answer is 8000. Now 25 multiplied by 300. 2 zeros are there, children, you can see. So write down these 2 zeros. Then 25 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. So 5 here and 1 carry. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1 carry is 7. So your answer is 7500. The next question, children, 27 multiplied by 200. Now 2 zeros are there, you can see. Write these 2 zeros. Now 27 multiplied by 2. 2 sevens is 14. So write 4 and 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 carry is 5. So your answer will become 5400. Now next G part, say 32 multiplied by 300. So write 2 zeros here, children. Now 3 2s is 6 and 3 3s is 9. So the answer is 9600. Then 36 multiplied by 200. Children, put 2 zeros. Now 36 multiplied by 2 will give you, see here, 2 6s are 12, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 carry is 7. So 7200. Now I part, 44 multiplied by 200. Write 2 zeros. Now 44 multiplied by 2 is 88. So 8800. Now 28 multiplied by 300. Now here you have to write 2 0 and multiply 28 with 3. So what you will get? 3 8s is 24. So write 4 here and 2 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 carry is 8. So 8400. Now children, we are going to start exercise 7F. Okay. Now you can see here what we can do. 2-digit numbers are given, 12 multiplied by 11. Now always you have to start first the number with the number with the ones. Multiply the numbers with the ones place first. So you can see 12 with 1. So 1 2s are 2 and again 1 1s are 1. So this already done. Then next number is, again you can see this 1. This one you have, the number at tens place is 1. This you will multiply with this 12. But what you will do, at ones place you will put cross. That means no number will be written here. Either you can write 0 also. Now multiply 12 with 1. Again you will get 12 ones is 12. So you will start from tens place. Why? Because the number we are multiplying with is at tens place. So we will write the product also, or from this we will start that from the tens place itself. Now you add this number, you will get the answer. There is no number below 2. So you write down 2 as it is. Add, you have to add on. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this, and then 1. So your answer is 132. Now children, same way the B part, you have to multiply this 14 with 3. First you will multiply this. Now 3 fours is 12. So write down 2 here. 1 carry. Now 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Now the next number is 1 here. You can see here. Okay. Number at tens place is 1. You can see here. Now 14 ones is 14. So first you will leave the place of ones. Put cross there. Now 14 ones is 14. So write 4 ones are 4 or 1 fours are 4 or then 1. Now children, you have to add. What answer you will get, you see? There is no number below 2. So write down 2 in the answer part. 4 plus 4 is 8. And there is no number above 1. So write down as it is in the answer column. Your answer will be 182. Now again children, see the C part. 16 multiplied by 16. Now 6 6 first you will multiply 16 with 6. This number. Now 16 6 is 36. Now 6 here and 3 carry. Then 6 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. So 96. 16 6 is 96. Then the next number is, children, you can see at the tens place is 1. Now 16 1 is 16. You know this. Put ones place empty. Then write down 16 ones are 16. You will always start from the right hand side, children. See. Now add, children. Now there is no number below 6. So you will write directly 6 here on the ones part. Then 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 you will write down and 1 as carry. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So your answer is 256. Now see the D part, children. Again 23 multiplied by 5. This you have to do first. Now 5 3s is 15. 1 carry. Now 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Then next number 23 multiplied by 1. So put cross here, children, first. Because now we are multiplying from the tens part. You can see here this 1. 23 ones is 23. So write down this 3 and 2 here. Now add. There is no number below 5. So write down 5 here. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. So your answer is 345. Same way, children, E part 34 multiplied by 25. Now first what you have to do, you have to multiply the number at ones place, that is 5. 34 multiplied by 5. So 5 fours are 20. So 0 you write down here and 2 as carry. Now 5 threes are 15 plus 2 is 17. Then what you have to do, put cross here. Now leave this space. Now the number at tens place is 2. You can see. Now 34 multiplied by this 2. Now 2 fours is 8. Write down 8 here. Then 2 threes is 6. So 6 here. Now you have to add the products of ones and tens. So what you will get, see here. There is no number below 0. Put 0 at ones place. 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 here. And 1 carry. Okay. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. So your answer is 850. In this way, children, you can do it. Now children, 42 multiply by 19. F part you see. Now 42 you will first multiply with 9. Now 9 twos are 18. 8 you will write here. And 1 carry. Now 9 fours is 36 plus 1 carry is 37. So write 3. and 7, that is, it will become 378. 42 multiplied by 9 will give you 378. Then the number at ones place is 1, so that will give the same number. Leave the ones place below 8. The 42 multiplied by 1 will give you 42, so write down 2 here and 4 here. So now you will add the products of ones and tens. So what is your answer? Here you will write 8, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So 798. Now children, 56 multiplied by 32. Now first you will multiply 56 with 2, 1. The number at ones place. Now 2 6 is 12. 2 here, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 carry is 11. Then children, the number at tens place is 3. You can see here. Now 56 multiplied by 3. Now leave this ones place and start from the tens. 3 6 are 18. So 8 here. Again 1 carry. Now 3 5s are 15 plus 1 carry is 16. So 6. Now add these products. So 2, 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. And there is no number above 1, so you write down 1 as it is. So your answer is 1792. Now children, H part, 64 multiplied by 43. Same way children, 64 you have to multiply first with 3. So 3 4s are 12. 1 carry. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 carry is 19. So write down this. Then put cross at ones place. And you have to multiply the number given at tens place. Now 64 multiplied by 4. Now this 4 4s is 16. So 6 you will write here. And 1 carry. Now 4 6 are 24 plus 1 carry is 25. So write 5 and then 2. Then add children these products. 2 you will write below. 9 6 are 15. 9 plus 6 is 15, sorry. 9 plus 6 is 15. Then 1 carry. Then 1 plus 2, 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then 2. So 2752 is your answer. Now I part children. 76 multiplied by 45. Now 76 you multiply by 5. Now 5 6 are 30. 3 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 is 38. Then put cross at ones place. 4 6 are 24. Then 2 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 is 33. Now add these products. 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Now there is no number above 3, so write down this 3. So 3420. Now children, see the J part. 84 multiplied by 68. Now first 84 multiply with 8. Now 8 4s are 32, so write 2 here and 3 carry. 8 8s are 64 plus 3 is 67. Then children, put cross here at ones place, then multiply 84 with 6. The number at tens place you can see 6. Now multiply with this. 6 4s are 24. 4 here. 2 carry. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. So write 0 and then 5. 50. Okay. Now add these products. So 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 here. 1 carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 0 is 7, and then 5. There is no number above 5, so write down 5. So what is your answer? 5712. Now children, see this, do these sums in your notebook. This you have to do in your copy. Exercise 7F, question number 2. A part, 11 multiplied by 22. Now children, first always multiply the number at ones place. See, 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22. Then the number at tens place is again 2 is there. So leave the space of ones and then you write from the tens itself. So 11 twos is again 22. So, but multiplying will give you in this way. You can write it cross or 0 there. Anything you can write it at ones place. Now add these two products of ones and tens. You will get the answer 242. Then B part children, 23 multiplied by 31. Now 23 you first multiply by 1, you will get the answer 23. Then put the cross at ones place, multiply 23 with 3, it will give you 69. Now add these products, you will get 710. Then children, same way, see question 33 multiplied by 13. Now 33 multiplied with 3, you will get the answer 99. Then you multiply 33 with 1, you will get 33. Then add children these products, you will get the answer 420. Now children, see the D part, 43 multiplied by 12. Now first you multiply 43 with 2, you will get the answer 86. Then you multiply 43 with 1, you will get the answer 43. Okay. Then you add these two products, 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 4 is 5, so 516. Now same way children, E part, 32 multiplied by 23. 32 you multiply with 3, you will get 96. Then you multiply 32 with 2, you will get the answer 64. Now add these products, the answer is 736. Then F part children, 21 multiplied by 34. Now 21 you multiply with 4, the answer will be 84. Then you multiply 21 with 3, you will get the 63. Then add these two products, the answer is 714. Now children, homework time. Now from exercise 7F you have to do question 3 A to F and question 4 A to F. We learned how to multiply two-digit numbers with two-digit number. Practice all these questions and do the homework in your copy. With this, thank you.